Hey, good morning, 10th grade honors. This is Mr. Ermer. Welcome to trimester 1.2. All right, it's important that you watch these videos every single day. I'll give you reminders about important upcoming dates. I'll give you tips about assignments we're working through. I will give you examples of student excellence so that you can model for your own success so you can model after them for your own success. So please, again, check in with these videos. I'm going to keep them down to 5 minutes or less every day. I have a slideshow. I'll review what the Schoology page looks like and give you directions and updates about what's going on in our class. So welcome. Again, my name is Mr. Ermer, and I'm glad to have you here. The agenda for today, what you're going to be accomplishing, make sure you do the daily journal, your attendance question. You should be used to that by now. We are going to have a regular vocabulary word. We have one vocab word every single day. And so I'll go and introduce you to that word. One of the three things you're doing today is introducing yourself through Flipgrid. If you haven't used that, it's just a quick way for you to access recording a video of yourself. And so it's going to be a way for you to interact with me one-on-one in discussion in the future, and then sometimes occasionally interacting with each other. Today's video that you'll be recording, only I will be seeing. So just as a heads up, no other peers are going to be interacting with today's assignment. Other than that, there's an article you're going to be reading that will help you think about what critical thinking means and keeping an open mind while you explore challenging ideas and ideas that challenge your perspective. Because that's what we're going to be doing, and that's what language arts ultimately gives us the opportunity to do. We explore humanity through reading, through writing, through speaking and language, and we challenge our perspectives and the beliefs that we've been holding. So read under this article. The directions are at the top of the article. And then there's a TED Talk about neuroplasticity, what we know about the brain, and a discussion online for you to interact with. Here's what the agenda and our slideshow will continue to look like. Today, if you could be remembered for one thing, what would you be remembered for and why? Check that out. It's in Schoology. That is how you will be taking attendance. Whoop. I've got this set up for trimester 1.1. It's the 20th. Welcome back. Your vocabulary word is perspicacious. That's where you have a ready insight into things. You can quickly discern and understand a situation or a person's beliefs and interact with them with your own abilities and understanding of things and make quick decisions. So you have perspicacity if you can quickly assess a situation or understand a worldview and then kind of make judgments based on that understanding. All right, go to Flipgrid. We've got a Flipgrid. Some things to understand about this Flipgrid assignment. You have to use Google Chrome. So if you haven't downloaded that from your onto your iPad, make sure you have a Google Chrome. And then when you click on the link today, make sure you sign in using your apps.district833.org email address, your school email address. That's the only one I've allowed to be used with Flipgrid. And then follow the directions. It's pretty self-explanatory. Today's article, again, challenge your assumptions and beliefs. What does critical thinking mean? This is an article written in Forbes magazine. Check it out. And then there's a video. It's been a few weeks since I've watched this, but I believe she's a professor out in Toronto, I want to say. And she is a leading researcher in understanding brains and understanding how they work. And so what she tells us about how brains develop, how we learn, and all the modern science regarding that is going to help prepare us for what we're going to be doing. We're going to be critical thinkers, and we're going to be challenging our beliefs. All right, here's what your Schoology page looks like right now. Here are the directions for Flipgrid. Again, use your Google Chrome and your apps account. Here's where you'll find the article. The directions for how to mark up the text are at the top. Please read them carefully. And then the short TEDx, where you're going to be learning about brain activity and neuroplasticity is here. And then the last thing is for you to have a discussion with each other. So follow the directions with this discussion post. It's just an opportunity for you to interact with your peers early on regarding this video. And that's it. Let's see how long it took me to do that video today. It's the first day, so I bet it's a little over 5 minutes. It's 5 minutes and 3